Hello everyone. I'm thought of making video for the complete Selenium basic level to high level. At last I'm going to teach you the complete framework, how we have to build our own framework. First this is the part 1. I'm just going to teach you the Selenium introduction. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. What is the Selenium WebDriver? It will come to your mind. Selenium WebDriver is an automation testing tool which is mainly used for automate the functional regression test case by using native method of browser. So it is simply telling I just want to automate some test cases. It may be functional regression. I want to automate the test cases that I'm going to do. Then what is that native method of browser? I'm just going to tell you one small thing. Native method means, for example, I just want to open my Chrome browser. So manually what you are doing, you're going and you're clicking on double clicking on the Chrome browser, it is opening. But when it's come to the Selenium WebDriver, no need to click anything. You're simply writing WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver or Chrome driver. It is going to click the browser, it is going to launch the browser. So that is called native method of browser. If you are not clear with this word, I am just giving this simple example. Already you are launched Chrome browser. So I want to go back one step means you are going to click the back button or forward button. Whatever you are going to do, you are going to click on that icon. But here in Selenium WebDriver, you no need to do anything. It automatically, whenever you are calling the method, it automatically do the action. That is called our native method. It is inbuilt native method. It having the functionality, it is going to do some native method. Okay. Now, next thing is I just one more thing I forgot to tell you. The Selenium WebDriver will support only the web application. It will not support desktop application. Okay. Next thing is advantage of Selenium. So as you know, it is the open source. So there is no licenses required. Another thing is it support all the browsers. As we know, it will support Chrome browser, Firefox, IE, Opera, Safari. It will support all the browsers. Third point is the Selenium support all operating system. So operating system, we know Windows, Unix, Linux, it will support all the operating system. Selenium support the parallel what is that parallel execution? It is nothing but I have that 10 script. So I want the 10 script will be executed. For example, normally what we are doing, we are having the 10 script, we are executing one by one. That is a normal flow we are doing. But Selenium support one parallel execution means I have the 10 script means for I want to launch 3 browser. So first browser I want to launch execute the first script. My second browser want to execute the second script. Third browser want to execute third script. Which one is completed first? Again my script want to execute. So parallelly now launching the browser 3, my 3 script is running. So my I will reduce the time also. So that is called the parallel execution. With the help of the Selenium we can achieve that. The fifth point is Selenium support a various variable programming language. Sorry, it is the type of mistake. Various programming language. So it is nothing but various programming. It supports 6 programming language. As we know, it will support Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Perl, PHP. It supports this 6 programming language. Another thing is most people using Selenium. So how come it will be the advantage? Yes, it will be the advantage also. For example, if you don't know anything the Selenium, the new tool you are going to work on means you will not get any help document from Google also, your friend also. You cannot get any help. You have to clear, you have to solve that problem. But in case of the Selenium, you no need to worry. If you are troubling here, if you are facing any issue, you can go and Google it. You will get solution for them because most of the people are using the Selenium. So you will get the help document also. Disadvantage. Every tool having some disadvantage. Selenium also having the disadvantage. What is that? Selenium support only the web application. Yes, it will support only a web application. But in case of UFT and all, it will support web application also, desktop application also. But here it is not possible. Environment setup is very difficult. Yeah, this one we have to talk. For example, if I'm using some other tool, EFT means I'm installing one time means all the required software will install by default. But in case of Selenium, it is not possible. If I want to some other Java file, I want to install manually, I want to import that. So this is the big disadvantage of for Selenium. No detailed report. For example, again I'm coming to example EFT. EFT and it is having inbuilt report facility, but here it don't have the inbuilt report facility. I want to install some third party jar file. I want to display the result. Limited, fourth point is limited image based testing. Limited image based testing means in with the help of Selenium WebDriver we cannot handle the image much. It having the only the limited access. No reliable support. What is that mean? In case of any problem with your data setup means any problem you are facing means you will not get any help from other people. In case of UFT, the vendor will be there, they will come and they'll support. But here in Selenium, it is not possible. You have to solve that problem. Okay. So, what is the structure for the Selenium WebDriver? First one is the search context. What it having only the interface. That is a very important part. Search context doesn't have any implemented method. It having only the interface. Interface means it doesn't have any implemented method. It have only what my method is going to do. Only the heading in simple heading it must have. WebDriver. Next will be the WebDriver. It was inherited from WebDriver. So WebDriver having the structure context also, it is also interface. It doesn't have any implemented method. Third one is remote WebDriver. So it is the class. It having the all implement method. What are the function we have in the search context WebDriver? It is everything will be implemented here only. Here is the main part. It having the class. It having all the method. Okay, hereafter they are deriving all the browser. It will support the Firefox. The code will be split like this for supporting Firefox, Chrome browser, IE browser. If you want, you can include Opera, Safari, everything. So, what you are understanding from the high level, the notes. Selenium WebDriver is the simple word. It is the web automation tool. It is the with the help of the native method we can achieve the automation. It having the advantage also. It having the disadvantage also. This is the flow we have. Why I'm explaining this flow means if you are going the interview means they will ask what is the root level of this Selenium WebDriver. You have to tell search context. It is the interface. So the most of the people ask this question. Just remember this workflow. Next video we are going to see the driver object method. I'll just give you the hint. Driver is nothing but our Chrome browser, IE browser, Firefox browser. What we are going to do the action on the browser. That what is those method. I'm just going to explain in the next video. That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.